Group performance of action songs is a fun way of developing several skills and values among children in the primary grades. An action song is any song or nursery rhyme that encourages the children to move their bodies by either following the directions in the song or making certain movements to act out the lyrics.
That's what we do.
Here is an animated sample. Action songs can be on topics like good habits or feelings. The songs could also contain stories. When children sing and act out these songs together, they engage in physical activity, which is vital for physical development and also for the development of the brain. Children practice use of language and connect words to meanings. By paying close attention to the lyrics, they develop their focus and concentration skills. Action songs can improve children's imagination. When children perform action songs together, they develop a sense of fraternity. And of course, children feel happy and unstressed when they sing and move. Here are a few tips for effective use of action songs. Select songs that are short and simple and give scope for different actions. Sing the song to a simple tune and show children the actions they could perform. Make sure every child takes part. If possible, use locally available materials as props to make the actions more interesting. Considering all the benefits, let's use action songs regularly.
Comb, comb, comb your hair, comb it every day. Mother, father, brother, sister, comb it every day. You all sing?
Comb, comb, comb your hair every day. Mother, father, brother, sister, comb it every day.
Yes.